Me gente, guys, we're here in Valley Street, New York, and we're doing another one, baby. That's right, another Burnham gas T-board, an Iron 5 to be exact. And guys, this is what it takes, Papa. We have a storm coming in, and it's coming quick and fast. And it's all over the place, guys. But it doesn't matter. They need heat, and we bring it there. Heat, baby. That's right. So, guys, stay tuned because it's just another day with Louis the Boilerman. Wepa.
How you doing, Tio? Say, wepa!
Wepa!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Wepa! Boilerman, Boilerman, Boilerman rock. Boilers that cling and boilers that knock. Fixing and tuning and making it run. Now the Boilerman has begun.
So right now what we did is we started doing this to disconnected everything. The power. We start disconnecting the feed, and soon we're gonna start disconnecting the return. And the other reason we're not taking everything out yet is because I don't have a pump with me, so we have to take all this water out of the boiler and pump it out somewhere, either in the drain or outside. And then we start disconnecting and take everything apart. And from that point, then we bring the new boiler in, and we start make a new layout of the piping. In this case, we're gonna do. Usually we don't do this, but we're gonna start doing like they call it drop header. So you will see later on in the video how the process is gonna go and the installation. And we are gonna disconnect the water right now because we have a valve there, so you can cut it off and disconnect everything. But we have a valve here también, Tony.
Yeah.
So that's the point. We're waiting for the kids bringing the boiler, and we have to cover the floor. That's why we're not doing too much mechanical stuff, because we don't want to do scratching or dirty the floor, stuff like that. So I had to call them and find out where they are right now because they left at 7 o'clock. So we're still waiting for them.
Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man. Yep. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New Your Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you. I wanna please you. I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, all winter long. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, till the cold is gone. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, till the cold is gone. Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man. Yep. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New Your Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you. I wanna please you. I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, all winter long. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm.
All right, guys, right now you guys looking at what's called a drop-in header. Now, what's a drop-in header? Basically, it's very simply, is that you don't want any wet steam. That's right, no wet steam going up to the pipes because you don't want any banging. Some people call it banging, some people call it noise, some people call it hammering. Doesn't matter. It sounds like basically it sounds like this. It sounds like little elves going. Ding, ding. That's right, guys. We don't want that. So if you got any water trap somewhere in this back pin along the steam riser, or around here, you can see it. You're gonna have a banging, or you have water trap. You're gonna have banging, noise, whatever you want to call it. Listen. So we like wet. You know what I mean by wet. But that's right, guys. But we don't want any wet steam going up the pipe. So, guys. This is something that is very common here in the New York City area or here on Long Island. Whenever you pipe it, you definitely want that. And of course, whenever you're measuring these pipes, it has to be a minimum of 24 inches from the water line, guys. And guys, don't take my word for it. Google it or look it up on the manual because it's exactly on the manual, the installation manual. So guys, whenever you're doing any type of steam installation, read the book. Wepa.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wepa. Boiler man, rock. Boilers that cling and boilers that knock. Fixing and tuning and making it run. Now the boiler man has begun. Boiler man, rock. Heat it up, boiler man, heat it nonstop. Servicing homes and making them hot.
So far, what's been the hardest part of this install today?
It's not the hardest part, just that everything is time consuming. All right. So right now we're doing like a drop header. We just put the two supply, we have to connect it together. And it's coming down. So only steam going up. All right, it's more efficiency. Once we connect this, then we're gonna do like a manifold here. You will see later on the video. So it will be two T's, and it's gonna connect one pipe. It's gonna connect it here, and then another one is coming down and it's connected to the manifold, and that's the supply. And after that, we are gonna connect the equalizer. Okay, the equalizer was connected with the return. And also you will see later on, they're talking about maybe in the next hour that we're going to start working the return if everything goes well now. So far that we are setting up the supply and then we start working later on the return.
So besides the ghost boiler that was turning on its own, it's been a pretty straightforward job compared to all, right?
Yeah. So, and after, once we finish that, then we start connected the return. Then the next step is we're gonna start working the gas line here. Once that is done, then we're gonna start working in the water supply, and we're gonna put an automatic feeder. And automatic feeder is like every time it's low in water, automatically it keeps feeding water. Remember, it's a steam, so the water evaporates, so they have to keep giving water, right? And then that has to be connected with the 24 voltage between the low water cutoff, you will see later on, and the water feeder. So stay tuned. Another installation for New York boiler.
Servicing homes and making them hot. You can call him round the clock. See that winter time is the right time to keep your heat in place. Louis the man and he got a plan to chase the cold away. Wepa!
How are we doing, Louis? How's it coming along?
It's coming, baby. It's coming. Listen, the job got to get done. What time is it? I'm gonna check right now. It's 4:45. Hey. But hey, we're not leaving. This type of business is we know what time we're getting in, but we just don't know what time we're coming out. We usually try to get things done between 8 to 5, but sometimes it just doesn't go as planned. However, it's gonna get done. That's the bottom line. As long as it's gonna get done, as long as they get heat, that is what should be our main focus because the customer is first.
What was
Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you. I wanna please you. I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, all winter long. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, keeping you warm. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man, till the cold is gone.
Yeah, just give me a quick rundown. How's the job going today, Teal?
All right. So everything come out okay. Finally we finished with the gas line. We finished with the supply and the return. We did the last touches right now. Put all the electrical together. Practically almost done. All the components on the sides, they're done as well. And like I say, the return practically are also done. Right now we are connecting the water cutoff, and then we give it power. Once all these are connected, so we're ready to turn the boiler on. Practically everything come out all right, except we are a little bit delayed because we had to find out those reducer 1.5 by 2 inches right there. And also back here, we looking for another coupling reducer 1.5 by 2 inch.
Okay.
And other than that, everything's pretty much done. So almost we're ready to wrap this up and finish it. So we already connect the automatic feeder. We just need to give it some power, 24 voltage. And we're talking about maybe in the next 45 minutes we should be done this.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Wepa! Boiler man, boiler man, boiler man rock. Boilers that cling and boilers that knock. Fixing and tuning and making it run. Now the boiler man has begun. Boiler man, boiler man, boiler man rock. Heat it up, boiler man, heat it non-stop. Servicing homes and making them hot. You can call him round the clock. See that winter time is the right time to keep your heat in place. Louis the man and he got a plan to chase the cold away.
The word of the day, Wepa. Alrighty, gente, it's officially wrapped. The show is over, guys. That's right, guys. Listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is what it's about, baby. Making the customer happy. Put that big smile on their face. And most important, bring the heat, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So, guys, look at this beautiful. It's like Picasso over here. Listen, guys, this is a work of art. Plumbing art, in case you never heard of plumbing art. Guys, listen, IN5 from Burnham. Your drop-in header, automatic water feeder. Everything straight and level. And most importantly, guys, my team did it, guys. We take pride on our work, and that's what counts. And also, we also had to change an air vent on the steam riser because we didn't have adequate heat going through the house, meaning like it was uneven. And now that we changed that valve, and mind you, that valve has been there for like 25, 40 years, I don't know. But that shit made a huge difference. So now they got heat. And most importantly, the wife is happy. Wife is happy, happy life. Guys, so guys, that's what I'm talking about, doing a good job. So without further ado, guys, drop a comment below. Leave a comment below. All the good comments. Smash that bell button. And always don't forget to subscribe. Okay? With that being said, Wepa!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Wepa! Boiler man, boiler man, boiler man rock. Boilers that cling and boilers that knock. Fixing and tuning and making it run. Now the boiler man has begun. Boiler man, boiler man, boiler man rock. Heat it up, boiler man, heat it non-stop. Servicing homes and making them hot. You can call him round the clock. See that winter time is the right time to keep your heat in place. Louis the man and he got a plan to chase the cold away. Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New Your Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah, I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler